This is Advent for December the 17th. So we've got the Southern Skeins, and I'm getting the 17th on the sewing calendar, and it is a metal thimble. So there it is. It's a metal thimble. That comes in handy. Alright, and then pull out the 17th for the woobles, and it's some green and some red yarn, and we are going to be making a wreath. How awesome is that? So I like that. Put that back, and we get to take out two more from the Hearts on Fiber box, and I'm just picking them at random. I'm literally just grabbing two right off the top, and I think that gets us caught up with Hearts on Fiber. I think after this we only get to grab one a day. So let's go with Southern Skeins and see what's in here. I'm excited. So on Southern Skeins, oh, how pretty is that? So this is for the 17th, and this one was for the 16th. They are beautiful. And now for Hearts on Fiber, we have this little one right here. And it is premium woven labels. And there they are. These are nice. And then we have this. And it looks like a mini skein. There it is. And that's a beautiful golden mini skein. So we got both of these today. And yesterday we got this one and this one from Hearts on. These are from Hearts on Fiber. So that's pretty awesome. And for the woobles, we got these yesterday and today. So we will check these out. So stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.